Thank you. All right, somebody needs to do something in the weather forecast. Peyton,
Get rid of the smoke. Can we start with that?
we're working on that.
Okay, good.
Listen,
You know, Jay, that's actually what I'm going to start with.
Wonderful.
So you win today.
Yes.
I told you yesterday you could do the forecast, but you really could as we go through this Tuesday together. You may have noticed maybe a subtle difference outside. So let's talk about the lake itself, because that's one thing that you can actually pick up from a good old satellite that's snapping pictures from way above. I'm showing you imagery from yesterday as well as today. And on the left side of your screen, that is a snap from above, and you can barely make out Lake Erie. It seems like we're playing a trick on you. I promise we're not, and that's all that atmospheric smoke that is still overhead. But this is today. There's actually been a slight improvement, and there's going to be even more of an improvement as we go through time. But again, all of that atmospheric smoke is coming from some place. It's all the way back in Western Canada. It's following a trend through parts of the Great Lakes. It digs into the Ohio River Valley, and it sets up camp over Northeast Ohio. So that's why the skies look rather milky, maybe a little hazy to you. But we have a cold front that's on the way. So in your National Zymer big picture forecast, this cold front arrives tomorrow. Not today and not this evening. No worries when it comes to getting out for any of your evening plans. But tomorrow you're going to start to notice a difference. This cold front's going to swing on through around midday. And as it does so, our breeze is going to pick on up, and then you're going to start to notice through the afternoon and evening that our skies become bluer. That's because this cold front and then this dominant area high are going to be able to disperse some of that excess smoke that's just hanging around Northeast Ohio. So again, when it comes to this evening, the smoke, the haze, all of that will remain. Temperatures will drop from the 70s back into the 60s. We keep a few clouds overnight, but you can go ahead and open the windows. When it comes to tomorrow, the cold front is going to tell a different story from the start of the day to the second half. I think we'll peak right around noon tomorrow when it comes to temperatures, right around 70 degrees or so. And then through the afternoon and evening, we'll start to scale things back. And if you find yourself closer to the lake, it is definitely going to be a little bit cooler. In your Union Home Mortgage extended forecast, check out Thursday. Our high temperature, only 61 degrees. That's unseasonably cool by about 15 degrees. That is the beauty of a front this time of the year. And not a lot of rain associated with it, potentially an isolated shower tomorrow further south, but we start to rebound as we approach Memorial Day weekend. For Memorial Day itself and any observation plans will be around 80 degrees. Betsy.